Hey guys, Ohio Wolverine. Like I said in my last video, I was contacted by a representative from X-Ages who sent me a M-Lock bipod to test, and same individual also sent me one of these Fyland tactical flashlights. Wanted me to give it a test and see what I thought, do a little review on it. So, first of all, it is made in China. You can get these on Amazon. So, let's take a look here, see what we got. Alright, well, there's the light itself. Pretty common. So, we're looking at a 1200 lumen Cree, I don't know if you can see that down in there, Cree LED flashlight. It's a aluminum body. Comes with two rechargeable batteries. Of course, there's one, the other one's already in it. Comes with the charger. It does have the little, what do you call it, little lanyard. And it comes with this cap. And it also comes with this cap, which has a pressure switch. So, let's just check out the cap with the pressure switch real quick. Those batteries are, let's see, I think they're the 18650 rechargeable batteries. They have a 4-hour run time and a 4-hour charge time. And this flashlight, they say it's got a beam distance of 200 meters. And it weighs about 4 ounces. So, here we go with the switch. And yeah, works just fine. Well, okay. So, well, we know that works. They're saying it's waterproof. And it also comes with a Picatinny mount. So let me get this screwed back on here. There we go. For those of you. Not a decent size. Fit in a pocket, probably a little large, but definitely work. But the Picatinny rail, or mount, or Picatinny mount, I should say. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, and it comes with the proper Allen wrench size that you need. There's the wrench. There's what it comes with there. So, let me just adjust these real quick. And while I'm doing this, I'll take time to talk to you guys about the Gun Owners of America. I recently became partners with the Gun Owners of America, and I will include a link down below that will take you directly to their site, and it will have a spot where you can sign up and get 25% off a yearly membership. It's normally a $20 membership. And that membership now, if you follow this link, it'll take you there for $15. So you can either renew your membership or you can sign up for a new membership. And the Gun Owners of America is a great organization helping protect our Second Amendment rights. They are the only non-compromise organization. So there you go. Got that on there for the Picatinny rail mount. And that just tightens down the rail. So got two ways I could do it here. Since it doesn't take long, I'm just going to go off camera because I don't want to be accused of violating any community standards. So that's installed, and did not show you how to do it, so therefore no community standards were broken, but I have it mounted that way. So if you like that, I'm a real big fan of that. What I've done in the past and what I seem to like really this. Probably could swap it and turn it around the other way, would be a little bit more comfortable. But I have a vertical grip that has a little Picatinny rail off to the side. So there's that. That's the Picatinny rail there. So I prefer that. Oop, bump the camera there. But I would actually probably flip that around and turn it a different way. Up that way. So that's the Fyland 1200 lumen LED flashlight. Made from aluminum. Comes with a Picatinny rail, 2 batteries. The end cap with the button here, and then the end cap with the switch, and the charger, if I didn't mention that. 4-hour runtime, beam distance of 200 meters, 4-hour charge time, and 4 ounces on the flashlight. I don't know what the weight is with the mount, but pretty bright little light for the money, I guess. So yeah, so I'll share a link down in the description below if you'd like to get on Amazon and purchase this. There's a lot of different lights like this on Amazon. I really like that. I like the way it's mounted there. With all the stuff, all the goodies that you get with it. So, like I said, get the charger, you get the switch, 2 batteries, a lanyard if you need it, and the Picatinny rail, or Picatinny mount. So, yeah. Check it out. If you'd like to get one, I'll leave a link in the description, and I'll also leave a link in the description to that takes you over to Gun Owners of America, and can get you signed up to either renew your membership or start a new one to help protect our Second Amendment rights. All right, everybody, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.